Hey little kids, today I will learn you about the colors. Here I am drawing 12 pencils and then I will color these pencils with different types of color. So let's see it. First one I am coloring. This is light green color. So what is this? This is light green color. Now I am coloring. This is orange color. So say with me. This is orange color. This one is coloring is white color. This is light brown color. Say with me, light brown color. This is light yellow color. So say with me, light yellow color. This one is deep blue color. So kids say with me, deep blue color. This one is deep yellow color. What is this? This is deep yellow color. Now I am coloring. This is sky blue color or light blue color. Now what is this? Light blue color. This one is deep green color. So kids say with me, this is deep green color. Now I am coloring. This one is deep brown color. So say with me, deep brown color. This is red color. So say with me kids, this is red color. And the last one is coloring black color. Now say black color.